So I get this turn signal switch out of the truck here. And on another note, I should probably turn that off. The headlight switch is supposed to have a spring-loaded button on it, so I can pull the rod out and loosen the nut. I can't find this fucking spring-loaded switch, so I gotta fuck with that still. This thing, I put a new flasher in it, and hit it with some B+ and some ground, and this switch is it's bad. So it's open, and doesn't matter what position it's in, it stays open. And it looks like that just shorts the red and green, right, which should be left and right. Whenever I ground, whenever I hit so the test light's grounded to the housing, and then whenever I hit one of these wires with the probe or the test light, in one position, this indicator will flash. Another position, that indicator will flash, but it's wire dependent. Whenever I jump this switch, it doesn't matter, it does it on both, right? But it doesn't flash the test light, it only flashes this indicator light. So I cleaned this up a little bit, and then I took it apart, and I'm hoping that I can just clean these contacts up, because they don't look the best. And then this was never meant to come apart, but I'm gonna clean these contacts up too, and then probably bend these up for a little bit more oomph, and hopefully I can get that thing to work. But what's cool about that is that this switch, I'll have to see if I can replace it. I might just use one of these bullshit switches that was, taped to the fucking column if I can get it fit in there. This was basically 4-way flashers. So I don't know why, where is it? This thing was in the truck. This is 4-way flashers, but if you had this toggle switch on to where it would short these contacts, it would close, then both the left and the right would blink. So flashers, hazards, whatever you want to call them. So it's kind of odd that they did that, unless this switch went bad, nobody could figure it the fuck out, and they just put that thing in there. I don't know. So I'm going to do that. Wish me luck. All right, I got those contacts cleaned up, and I still got the same issue. So that sucks. It doesn't really make sense, because there's just 3 fingers in here, and then those contacts on the board, so you're just shorting 2 of those contacts at a time, unless one of these wires is bad or something. I don't know. I'm going to fuck with it for a couple more minutes, but I might have to just order a new one. Lame. Relay cycles. This light's flashing. And now, a little bit.